surface of the land, roots trap water from the flowing mud, extracting precious nutrients and minerals.
Yeah, we're in
our backyard.
the land.
These are just a few of the edible plants that have been an important source of nutrition for people living in the tropics. Many are rich in vitamins and minerals, while others are well adapted to growing in less than ideal conditions. Our small fish farm produces nearly 5,000 pounds of fish each year to serve in restaurants around Walt Disney World. Plants help keep the water clean for the fish. It's another great way to produce more while using less. In our lab, EPCOT scientists are working with the U.S. Department of Agriculture on a number of innovative projects.
So Frank and I are standing here at Moana, the Journey of Water, and it's very, very cool. Babe, what is your favorite part so far about the park today? We've been in World of Nature so far.
Living in the land.
Ah.
And this right here, all the jumping water.
In that order?
Everywhere.
In that order?
Yes.
Okay, my order is this is my number one, and living in the land is my number two. But EPCOT's always a good experience, right?
Yes.
We've got so much more. We've been able, with living with the land, we've been able to play with the water and make it do what we wanted. We're going into river next. So hopefully it'll be something fun with the river. Get it going. Woo! Yeah!
Watch goes off and everyone
Get it going. Jump, 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 Frank. Jump, you're fine. That's so cool.
That's cool.
How cool. We're on the Under the Seas Devo ride. Yes, most of this ride is moving, but some of it's really cool.